Welcome to Best RV channel. This is now from Best RV in Turlock, California. Class C motorhome only for $69.99. $70,000 for a brand new Class C motorhome. I could not believe it. And this is loaded motorhome. It comes with a power awning, generators. You could sleep, up to 5 people's inside. No question asked. Loaded. Only for $69,999. You could have a motorhome at the price of a travel trailer and a fifth wheel. This model just came into Best RV today. Brand new 2025 Ford Winds 19Z on a Ford chassis. 1,000-watt generator. It has a Class 3 hitch receiver so you can pull your boat. It has a backup camera, a leopard expandable ladder. As well as you can see, there's endless hot water heater. $69.99. Come with endless hot water heater and a generator. Full passenger storage, propane tank, loaded. Sitting on a T350 chassis. So you can see how spacious right here. So it has a big rear dinette in the back, and that dinette turned to a big bed where you sleep 2 people over here. You have a full bed, and then voila. So even if you're a big guy, you could take these cushions off and you have more rooms. You could take these cushions off and you have bigger bed if you want, but you don't need. Easy. We'll sleep 2 people here, so there's no problem. Also, you could sit here, relax, lay down, swing the TV. If we swing the TV, you can watch the TV straight from your bed. It has a huge closet all over. As you see, it's right here. Very storage. Even it has the vents here for 1 circulations, and then you have a nice closet. You could hang clothes. Still have the big refrigerator. Is the 11 cubic foot reefer, 12 volts. Has a furnace, microwave, convection microwave, so you could cook in this microwave. 2-burner range, as you see right here. A nice prep area on the left side of the sink and the right side of the sink. Rice faucet, big square sink. Use storage. Tinsel door with the sink closing. Another compartment here for dishes. Another storage compartment right here. And you still have the nice big smart TV with the cap bed in the front. This bed over here, sleep 2 people, as you see right here. Voila. So I could sleep 2 people here, 2 people in the back. You have a nice big view window. It's a nice rear living. It's very simple. There's nothing to it. It's loaded. AC, awning, microwave, convection microwave, 2-burner range, big fridge, and then you have a full bathroom and a shower. So I could stand up here. So it comes with a sink here. As you see, if you come over here, you show them the sink, the medicine cabinet, mirror, fans. See, it's loaded. Very loaded. See the fan, lights, skylights, no issue. Full self-contained motorhome. Brand new, 25. Only for $69.99. I could not believe it. In my 26 years selling RVs, we never sold a brand new Class C motorhome for $69.99. With this motorhome, it's amazing deal. Come enjoy it with your family. Take your wife, take your kids, and go enjoying this motorhome.